In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create any form in WordPress in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to build a contact form, a registration sign up, or any other type of form, this simple guide will walk you through the entire process, making it easy to enhance your website's functionality. Let's begin by heading over to wordpress.com. This is the main platform where all the magic happens, and you'll need to log in to get started. Once you're on the WordPress website, you'll see a button that says login. Click on that button to move forward. Next, for ease and speed, choose to log in using your Google account. When prompted, select Continue with Google. This option not only simplifies the process by reducing the number of passwords you need to remember, but also integrates seamlessly with your existing Google account for a unified experience. Now you'll be asked to choose your Google account. Pick the account you want to associate with your WordPress site, and you're in. Once logged in, you'll land on your site's dashboard. Look to the right-hand panel, and under Quick Links, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that to enter the editing mode, where we can start constructing your form. In this editing environment, you're going to add a new block. For this, locate the plus icon, a small universal symbol that's usually at the top of your editing tools. Clicking this plus icon allows you to add new features to your page. In the search bar that appears, type the word form. After typing form, different form options will appear. From here, click on Forms, which is usually a top suggestion. This choice brings up a variety of form templates you can use. Depending on your needs, you might want a simple contact form or something more detailed like a feedback form. With the form templates visible, it's time to choose the perfect one for your site. Browse through the available types of forms and select the one that aligns with your purpose. Once you've made your choice and the form appears on your page, don't forget to click Save. This step ensures that all your hard work is stored and that the form will appear live on your site for visitors to use. And there you have it, a custom form on your WordPress site, created in just a few easy steps. This not only enhances your website's interactivity, but also provides a direct channel for communication with your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.